Okay, hit it. It'll take a moment.
Lights on.
That's a good sign. It's got a regular heartbeat. That's a really good sign. Here, let's do this to give it a chance so it doesn't blow out. Juicer! The igniters are clean because I cleaned them last time.
No, your flame though.
No, hasn't tried yet. There it is. Yes! Victory is ours.